Now I'd like to introduce to you the winner of the Connector Award from last year, Miss Wendy Blomseth.
There is no way I can follow that. I hope you have several boxes of Kleenex with you today. What an incredible morning already. I just cannot believe. I'm literally speechless, and you know that never happens to me. But I want to say what an honor it is to still be a part of Women in Networking. I've been a member since 2008. As I said last year, Stephanie Hansen said to me when we were in a small networking group, Wendy, you and I need to go over to this other group, Women in Networking, because so much is happening over there, and I will still thank Stephanie Hansen for that forever. Like Emily, I too love my award. I have it on my wall, and I intentionally have it positioned so that it's just above my eyesight, so when I come into the room and look at it, I'm not looking at my face, I'm looking at the award every day. And every day I look at that beautiful award and think how lucky I am and fortunate I am to be connected to all of you. And yes, I am a connector, and it all started with meeting one person and trying to help them, and they trying to help me. Last night I went to events at the Women's Club, and Ann Pryor was speaking, one of my favorite people. Not a WIN member yet, but maybe we can work on that. But Ann said, go and meet someone new last night. So I challenge you, go and meet someone new today and help them. And then let them help you. Last night was the first time I announced publicly that I have a new job. I'm an art sales specialist with Corporate Art Force, and there was a gal there who literally ran across the room to grab me and say, Wendy, you need to meet this woman because she needs art for a firm that she's doing the design work for. And she didn't have to do that, but it's all about connecting and helping each other. And this year's winner, Mary Bumblebee Pokluda, she is the most awesome connector. I want to read this piece right here so I don't omit anything important. Mary Bumblebee Pokluda is the queen bee and founder of Bumblebee Personal Assistants. Mary Bumblebee knows what it's like to be where so many business owners are today. Too busy, overwhelmed by conflicting priorities, and always out of time. Bumblebee Personal Assistants was founded to give individuals and businesses the gift of time and the leverage to get things done. Whether you're a small business owner, busy professional, or simply the CEO of your household, Bumblebee Personal Assistants wants to create time and space in your week so you can enjoy your loved ones and all the wonderful things in life. Mary lives on the Minneapolis-St. Paul border with her husband Derek, aka the Beekeeper. I went to introduce myself to him at an event where Mary was receiving a different award, and I was teasing him about something, some bee joke. He was like, oh no, I'm the Beekeeper. Okay. So, lives with Derek and their adopted bully named Buzz. Now, Mary I see everywhere, and she is Miss Connector, and even if she doesn't know you well, she goes out of her way to help you, connect you. She's always doing volunteer work. She is just the most amazing woman that I know, and I'm so proud to give Mary the Connector Award for this year.
Resonates with me on so many levels because it's about taking flight. When I first talked about starting my business, I did have friends who were supporters, but I also had plenty of people who were not supported. My favorite quote by Mary Kay Ash is, aerodynamically, the bumblebee shouldn't be able to fly, but the bumblebee doesn't know it. So it goes on flying anyways. In reality, I wasn't supposed to make it. Having started my business just before the recession, statistics pointed to not surviving, but I moved full speed ahead. Fast forward a few years, filled with growing, learning, networking along the way, the power of intention, and vision boards. Being clear and seeing what I wanted and sharing with others made for the manifestation of some amazing opportunities, such as going to Italy and Hawaii with clients. Very recently, I have been rewarded in an outpouring recognition from my peers, organizations, and community. I strongly believe in giving without expecting to receive, and in supporting and helping those around me. Being able to celebrate others' success has allowed me to celebrate my own and receive it with open arms. As I stand in my power, with my wings at full span and ready to soar higher, I look to the left and I look to the right. And I see people in my life doing the same. My heart is filled with joy because I have surrounded myself with some awesome people that have supported and believed in me, and in turn, I do the same for them. The quote that fits my life today, flock with people you are in sync with, those who lift you up and help you fly higher. Seek only what builds you up and put out energy that builds others up. I would never have been able to do this without the unwavering support and help from the beekeeper, my husband, Derek Abrams. Thank you, Derek, for allowing me to spread my wings and fly. I love you, honey. Thank you.